Mastering offers. How to use how about in conversations. Hello, English language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to learn about a popular phrase in conversational English, how about. This phrase is commonly used when making offers or suggestions, and mastering it will make your conversations flow much more naturally. So, let's dive right in. First things first, let's understand how about. This phrase is used when we want to suggest something, or offer a choice or a possibility to someone. This could be anything from a place to eat, a time to meet, or a course of action. Here are some examples. How about we meet at the park? How about ordering pizza for dinner? How about watching a movie this weekend? These sentences all present a suggestion or an offer for someone else to consider. Now that we understand the basic usage, let's explore how to use how about in questions. When we use it in a question, it opens up a discussion and invites the other person to respond with their thoughts. For example, how about the blue one? Do you like it? How about next Friday? Does that work for you? In these examples, how about is used to suggest a specific option and ask for the other person's opinion or preference. Finally, we'll cover how to respond to a suggestion or question that starts with how about. You can accept the suggestion by saying something like, that sounds great. Or, yes, that works for me. If you don't agree with the suggestion, you can decline politely. Here are some examples. How about we go out for dinner? I'm sorry, I already have plans. Maybe another time? How about this color for the wall? I'm not sure about that. Can we consider a lighter shade? Remember, the key to responding is to keep the conversation going and maintain a polite and friendly tone. And that's a wrap on using how about in your English conversations. Now, you have a new, flexible tool in your English language toolkit to make offers and suggestions more naturally. Keep practicing, and you'll get the hang of it in no time. Thank you for joining today's lesson, and as always, keep learning and keep speaking English. See you in the next video.